So we're going to show you how to create your first ad. The first thing you're going to do is sign in from the top right, put your name and log it in, and you're going to have to find a topic where you're going to post your ad. So go up the top menu and select the topic. I have selected voiceover. From there you're going to see Post MJob. Click that button and you just fill out the form. Once again, in order to get to this form, you got to select the top menu, the topic where you want to post your ad. So right from here, you just fill out the form, the job name, how much you want to charge for the job, and it's only in 2 digits, no cents. Then you got to select a category of where you want it listed. There's a lot of categories, so check them all before you select it. And how long is it going to take you to complete the job? Then you fill in the complete description. And I'll show you how to add a photo later, and then you can put a link for a video like YouTube or Vimeo. You could also use a player like SoundCloud or Mixcloud or any other well-known audio player. Take the share link and put it inside your description, and we'll create the player embed for you. Or you can create a link to the player on your description by using the chain there, which is a URL link. So basically put something like click here to listen or listen to demo, bold it, click the chain link, put the link inside there and just hit the blue arrow. And if somebody clicks on that, the player will come up. So either way, people can listen to your audio demo. Once again, if you want to add a video, you can add it from YouTube, Vimeo, or an MP3 link. Just put it in there and that will show up on your post. Now you're going to want to add a photograph, and you can add up to 5. Just click the plus button and that'll open up your computer file. Select the photograph and it's there. You can hit the plus button again if you want to add a few more. You also want to add tags, which are like keywords for people to find your post. Put tags that are related to your post. So when somebody enters that in the search, your post will come up. Add about 4 or 5. So if you see now, the form is completely filled out, and all you need to do is hit save. The admin will need to approve your ad first, but once it's approved, you'll see that it gets listed, and the player that you linked to is now an actual player that somebody can listen to hear your demo. All these instructions are basically the same way as on your phone. The layout may just be different.